we manufacture aluminum trim part like this one. We build parts for headlamps, for the wheels and caps for the hood and the trunk. I am Rolf Temmerich. I am the CEO and the CTO of the Alutrim Group worldwide. This is where everything starts. We make the whole surface gray, and we call it base color. We need different forming steps to bring the flat sheet step by step into the contour of the part. We bring some plastic on the back because we need something to assemble this piece of aluminum into the car. We have to mill the contour of this part to make sure that it fits to that carrier. In the year 2000, there was a demand in Europe for interior trim parts out of aluminum. So we started in Germany. 20 years ago, the know-how was in other areas of the world. Let's say Europe, let's say the US. The domestic automotive industry in China was still on a very low level. And we decided to do this directly in China for the Chinese market. And then people decided to manufacture in China because of the low labor costs. But today, there are many differences. Okay, so those are steering wheel emblems. We are very good in printing of those emblems. Might get from the market. All the drivers, they have all the time of the world to look at this part. And this is why this part has to be absolutely perfect. Our laboratory area, it's our kitchen. It's like when you cook at home, make different soup. I need all those things to make different coatings. A little bit of this and a little bit of that.
So right now I was testing our new coating. The business ship.
Okay. This machine comes from Germany. When I was working in Germany, I always considered to buy such a machine. But then the people said, maybe it's too complicated, maybe we don't need it. When I came here and talked to the team, then the team said, okay, that's great. Let's buy it and let's try to use it. In China, the people, they are still eager to learn new things. That's a development we are making for BMW. They are very diligent, they are very fast because of your education system and because of the growth of the economy. You are in many, many fields stronger than other people of the world.
It's really the greenest car we could find, really. Average speed of a car.
In 2005, there were good European cars, there were good cars from the US, there were good cars from Japan and Korea. And from China, there was zero. Absolutely zero. When we went to Fujian, frankly speaking, there was nothing in Fujian. There was not even a street. But then the government were supporting us in selecting the right piece of land, and they were also very supportive in building the infrastructure. This old lady, the machine was developed in Italy many, many years ago. But now I cannot use it anymore, so I have to throw it away. The government is supporting us in new investment, so we throw away old machines and they give us some money to support us and buy new ones to push the thing forward again. For me, it was already obvious that there's a big potential in the country and in the industry I'm working in. Okay, so we are now in our plant 2, which is our newest plant here in Fujian. In plant 1, you have seen most of the machines came from Germany or from the US, but here everything is created and made in China, because currently the better engineering and the faster building of such a machine is in China. Let's say layout of this automated line until the first parts, it was only 6 months, and in other parts of the world it would have taken 2 years. The fastest production line I have right now is making 2,500 parts per day, which is about 600,000 parts per year. About our revenue, which is in a range of 600 million RMB, but we are still growing. Now you have many good car manufacturers here in China. Talking about e-cars, even better. Maybe there was a point in time the people said made in China, and the meaning was it's cheap. They have stolen our know-how. It's completely nonsense. When I see in many areas the technology is higher in China, so there will be many things created in China. There will be products created in China because the leading know-how has been developed in China.